Hey YouTube, it's Doug here from Bessie Custom Fab. Today is a quick video on my 1950 Pontiac rat rod. I've already widened the fenders by 2 inches on each side. It's not super easy to tell, so that's good. The split is underneath here. If you've seen my other videos, then you'll know. Otherwise, go back and review. There's some cool shit on there. I don't know that anybody's doing this, widening fenders and then also making them removable. So I've taken one off. I did the body work on it. You can't tell. It looks like old junky. That's the point. 3 days ago, it looked like that. I had patched some repair panels. There was a hole here for a bumper mount and it was indented. So we'll just get rid of all that because since I've widened it, the fender, or the bumper, sorry, won't fit back on there because it's just not wide enough now, and I didn't like that bumper anyway, so get rid of it. So that being said, the fender is ready to go back on. I've actually added a piece of steel here with a rubber. This is all just a rubber piece. It's riveted on, welded there, and that way when I put this fender back on, since I've widened it by 2 inches, I won't have a huge gap on the inner fender, and this rubber is just to take up any of that gap and not have to worry about it being a perfect good fit, just to keep the dust and road debris out of there when I'm driving. It's going to work great. I've already test fit the fender. Everything looks good, so I've just got to wrap it up and back to it. Maybe then get the other side done. So check out my other videos. Like, subscribe. Bessie Custom Fab. Rock and roll. I need to wash the truck.